Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can repost someone's story on your story on Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, let's go ahead and open up our Snapchat app and then go ahead tap on this option of messages. Now the thing that you have to remember is, for you to repost somebody else's story, you have to make sure that you have got the mention. For this person, if I have got the mention right over here, I will simply be able to post it, and then I will also receive the little message from this person right over here as well. And then I can tap on it and I can simply tap on this option of repost story. But if that person hasn't reposted me, hasn't mentioned me on their story, then I won't be able to simply repost the story. That is basically how it works. But if in case you still want to repost somebody else's story, you can simply choose to screen record if it can be recorded, for example, right? Because as you can see, since I was screen recording and tapped on the person's profile, that's why it shows that screen recording is happening, and they would also get notified regarding that. So that is what you should be knowing. If you do that, they will also get notified. If you're okay with that, then you're allowed to do so. Otherwise, you cannot repost. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.